Hello guys, Den Russell here, back once again with another video. And for today, I'll be DIYing again. Yeah, I'm going to transform this Gucci ruined shoulder bag into a messenger bag. I love messenger bags. I think I can still repair this bag because I don't want to throw this away and add this to our landfill. Okay, let's begin by removing the disintegrating strap. Next is remove the lint or fuzz, which makes the canvas look ugly and old. Shave it, wax it, trim it, pluck it. Just do everything to remove the lints or fuzz. After that, of course, I'm going to wash it. There, big difference, right? After that, I'm going to replace the strap with a D-ring. I bought all of this online. Pretty much everything nowadays can be bought online. So this is actually the plan so that I can easily attach the strap. I'm going to manually sew this using a crochet thread. Here's the finished product. I love it! And I'm happy that I was able to turn this almost solid waste into something useful. So that concludes my video for today. I hope you enjoy, and if you do, please give this video a thumbs up. Please watch my other videos and subscribe to my channel. Hope to see you again on my next upload. Bye. Mm. 'Cause every color and every hue is represented by me and you. Take a slide in the slope. Take a look in the kaleidoscope. Spin around, make a twirl. In this